yokhokha.
Nanokuthi futhi uma ngabe bethanda abantu bakhona bangeza kuzosibikela ngizofika ngibatshela kunankinga.
Okay.
Futhi bangezi uzobatshela.
Wena uzokhuluma nini kanti nalabo ngene inhlangano?
Noba
Cha sengisho ukuxoxa.
noba babakhe.
Abantu bakhona.
Ngihlangane nabo kuthini?
Ngisho
bazokhuluma nomkhonyana wakhona mawuthi umkhonyana wakho noma uboyfriend wakhona whatever ulwandle wabo lo ngoba uthola ukuthi khona uyaziwa mhlambi angithi
yeah
uzoyenza yena yonke leyo nto angingeni
hayi kusho ukuthi singaphinda ke abantu abami bonke kusho ukuthi mina kufanele ngikhulume noLwandle ecaleni ngithi asenze okuncane esingakwazi ukwenza without involving uMacele. One ufuneka aye clinic lo ntombazana kufanele simhambise noLwandle. Number 2 kufanele athole ingubo ekhuluphala ngoba ukhulelwe. Yabona so ziningi izinto kufanele.
I don't like what Macele is saying when she says the girl's family mustn't come, like mustn't bother kanjani, because you know that in our culture, in the Zulu culture, we have a thing where we have to, the girl's family has to go to the guy's family to let them know that the boy child has impregnated somebody in their family. So what do you mean they mustn't bother to come? That is quite confusing, you know. But also thanks to Mseleku for playing this role of acknowledging that pregnancy means that you start being a father. From the minute a girl says you're pregnant, you're a father. You know, so Umacele is trying to prolong that process of the pregnant girl has to be, she's going to be on her own up until she gives birth. Then they'll acknowledge the child after they get the results. But what about the pregnancy? Because you start being a father from pregnancy. Yeah, guys, hi. Thanks to Mseleku for acknowledging that. We see that there's that procedure of pregnancy. Other than that, guys, please like the video. Please comment to the video and please subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Oh yeah, bro.